Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you want to use Duolingo offline, the first thing you need to know is that not everything in the app works without internet, but some features can still be used. First, make sure that you are using the Duolingo mobile app because offline mode is only available on phones, not on the website. Now, to use Duolingo offline, you need to download your lessons in advance. So open the app while you are connected to the internet and go to your course. Now start completing lessons or practice sessions while online because Duolingo automatically saves some of your recent lessons for offline use. Once those lessons are saved, you can continue practicing them even without internet access. This is useful when you're traveling or don't have Wi-Fi. However, keep in mind that new lessons, XP updates, and leaderboards won't work offline. Those features will sync once you go back online. So the best strategy is to open the app daily while you have internet, load your lessons, and then continue practicing them offline when needed. And that's how you can use Duolingo offline to keep learning even without an internet connection. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.